My name is Stuart Spiteri-Nobbs. My role is Lecturer Assessor at the College of West Anglia. The programme is aimed at 19 years and older and is partially funded by the Cambridge and Peterborough Local Authority. Each week we do a bit of brickwork on a Monday evening, and they come in for 3 hours, and we learn the basics behind bricklaying and the construction industry. So they do a Wednesday evening where they're learning carpentry, which is related again to construction. This course is aimed at students who are either unemployed, and people at work who are looking for a career change, and people that just want to get into construction in general. So the students will gain skills, construction processes, the theory and knowledge behind it. They will get an understanding of what is involved in a job in the construction industry. So once they've completed the course, they will be met by employers, and they'll have like an interview evening where they get to sit, have an interview, and then they get to sit and talk to an employer to see what opportunities are out there in the construction trade for them to look into and to progress into. Out of the 10 people who got at the course, we've got one who's a house husband who wants to return to work, and we've got one who's a window fitter who would like to take another role within construction and improve his skills and move on in the industry.
My name's Alex Watson. I heard about the Skills Bootcamp from searching online. I was looking for a course in bricklaying, and a lot of them were hobbyist courses you pay for, and then this one actually had an interview at the end. So the aspects of the course I'm enjoying the most is the bricklaying. My impression of the facilities is good. They've got everything you need. My impression of the tutors is they're really friendly, always willing to help. I've emailed them a couple of times, I've always got a reply. So yeah. I'm currently a graphic designer. I'm looking to become a bricklayer or something in construction. I want to complete this course. I'm hoping to get a job in construction. Anyone considering a Skills Bootcamp course, I'd just say go for it and have a go.
My name's Luke Liddell. I'm studying the Construction Skills Bootcamp course. I heard about the Skills Bootcamp course. I'm searching online for courses and a new trade to get into. I applied for the Skills Bootcamp course online, just on Google. I'm enjoying the bricklaying and the carpentry, I'd say. The stud framing I was really getting to enjoy in carpentry. The facilities here I would say are great. That you've got everything you need around. The tutors here are great. I'd say they're very friendly and they give you as much help as you need. So when applying for the course, I was currently I'm currently a second man on a window fitter. So I was looking to change career, so I applied for the course. Once I completed the course, I plan to change trades. Hopefully bricklaying. That's my favourite side of the course. But yeah. I'd say if you're considering doing the Skills Bootcamp course, 100% go for it. It's a very good stepping stone, and it hopefully leads to like a very good future.